everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be redecorating my coffee bar slash station area. I don't have anything super fancy or a ton of already done stuff dedicated for the coffee bar or coffee in general. I just have this small space right here where I have my Keurig, the sugar, and a few pieces up from Christmas that I thought could transition into winter, and of course Valentine's Day, like this sign up here that says love. I do love the fact that I have this like shelf right here, even though we don't use the wine racks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we do have this wine rack up here, and even though we don't have any wine glasses up there, I love that I can put up signs or the cake cups up here, and that we can utilize these shelves on the right side to put our coffee mugs. Now, I didn't purchase a lot of things for Valentine's Day. I do have a few pieces that I am going to be repurposing it from other hauls and other things that I've purchased them for. I did purchase a few items from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and the PX here on base. So let's go and get started, you guys. All the items that we're going to be utilizing, all the items over here I already had. These I actually got them from Michael's about a year ago, and you guys have already seen them in a few of my videos. These mason jars, I had them from Target already, and these flower arrangements are actually from Riley's baby shower, so I can't wait to repurpose that. These items right here are all the brand new ones. These flowers, I got them from Dollar Tree. I'm actually going with like a red and white and like incorporating a few pinks into the coffee bar. It's just a picture that I found on Pinterest that I'm drawing inspiration from, and it's an old white, but I really want to put some pops of colors. Anyways, I have these paper straws that I got from Walmart. They were 92 cents. Then these milk chocolate right here, they're like red, white, and pink. I got these from the PX. And then all these three items right here, I actually got them from Hobby Lobby. I really love this stand. It's in the shape of a heart, and it's so adorable. I picked up this little flower arrangement with like these red roses, and I believe those are supposed to be baby's breath. I am not sure. And there's like burlap little hold. I think I might just place it like this, but I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it just yet. And then we have this mug right here. I love that it says love on it. It's a red mug, and I don't have anything like it. It's the only Valentine's Day mug I actually have, so I cannot wait to see how everything turns out, you guys. But before we get started, let's give a shout out to the Instagram profile and comment of the week. Thank you guys so much for showing love and support on my channel. And if you guys are wondering how you guys can get a shout out, all you have to do is tag me on an IG Insta story or leave a comment down in the comment section below. With that out of the way, let's jump right into the video.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in.
I'm so upset I didn't even notice this. So I'm trying to follow this specific inspiration from Pinterest that I saw. Hopefully you guys can see it. And I do have the jar right here, but I don't know. I feel like it doesn't look right. Or should I just go with this instead? But even this, I feel like it's not full. I don't know. I do have some more twine and hot glue. Maybe if I wrap around this, it'll look different. Maybe I'll do that. Hold on. I have my hot glue sticks, my hot glue gun and the twine from the Christmas DIYs. I know. So hopefully this turns out well. You want to say hi? Ready? Ven. Ven. Okay. Diles hola. Hi. Yeah? Having fun? Okay.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in
Alright you guys, so this is how it turned out and I love the way it looks. It is just amazing. I can't believe it looks this good. And I wanted to tell you guys that you really don't have to spend a lot of money to decorate for Valentine's Day. A lot of the items I already had, like this flower arrangement right here, this love sign, the mason jars, and of course the glue sticks, glue gun, and the twine I have here. The only items I did purchase, I believe the whole entire thing, if you add it all up, I think it was like maybe $10, $12 because these two items right here from Hobby Lobby were $2.99. The candy from the PX was like, I think $3.99, if at that. The paper straws were 97 cents. This sign from Walmart that I forgot to show you guys was $3.99. Flower arrangements for Dollar Tree, $1. And the most expensive thing was this coffee mug, which was like $6.99. But I think I might have to go to Hobby Lobby and have it exchanged because I did not notice that it was damaged once I purchased it. But yeah, goes to show that you guys don't really have to spend a lot of money and that you can actually shop your decor pieces that you already have and you can use them time and time again. That is something that I want to do this year, just keep repurposing stuff and then only purchase a couple of things so that it can give it a nice fresh look. But other than that, definitely I'm trying to repurpose everything. And I love the way it looks. I do want to know your guys' opinion about how you guys store your K-Cups. Right now, I only have them right here in the box that I got from TJ Maxx for $7.99. I actually got a pretty good deal on it. It brings 16 K-Cups. And when you go to Target or Walmart, they'll probably, if at that, like 12 K-Cups for like 15 bucks or something like that. So I thought this was a pretty good steal. But currently, I have it in the box and I want to know how you guys store them. I have seen a few people that use like these abstract containers that look like squares and triangles and then have like a bunch of like lines and stuff. But I don't know if I want to use that. I also have seen people that have like the huge cylinder thing. I don't want to use that just because I feel like it's going to take up a lot of real estate on my counter and I really don't want that. Not only just like surface, but also like width-wise. So definitely let me know in the comment section below how you guys store your K-Cups.
All right, you guys, that is it for this Valentine's Decorate With Me Coffee Bar edition. I hope that it gave you some inspiration to decorate your full coffee bar or a little section on your counter space for Valentine's Day.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I post a new video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Riley wanted to say hi. Say hi, Riley. Yeah, like this. Hi. No? Riley wanted to say hi. What? Okay, grab one. Uh-oh. Say cheese. Okay, we're gonna go. You gonna put it back? No more.